What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Brian Felix here, bringing you guys another video. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys. So we have a BMW here, M340 2022, I believe. You guys tell me down below in the comments what year and what car this is. You guys know more than I do. So we're here to do a quick paint enhancement on this car. We're gonna use our Cot Chemi product with our Flex polisher. So we're gonna go ahead and polish the car, remove any minor defects and stuff like that. All right, so a little bit about the story of this car. So the client just bought this vehicle. It's 2022, brand new to him, and he ran through a car wash because he was impatient and didn't want to ride around dirty, right? So he went ahead and ran it through a car wash, and turns out the car wash ended up scratching their brand new car. So we're here to fix that and hopefully potentially get him on our maintenance plan. So hopefully we can get him on our maintenance plan after this detail here, just to help him out a little bit more. It is a little far off from where we are. It's like 45-minute drive, but you know, cars like this I like to treat well, especially when they have nice cars like this. So we're gonna get back to the foam because we're foaming it down, and then we'll just keep showing you guys the process. Enjoy the video. All right, so what we're doing now is just pre-foaming the car, going around with our soft bristle brushes to get emblems and any tighter areas here before our actual contact wash. So we're gonna go ahead and do all these corners and stuff like that, get it nice and clean, again, before we actually do our contact wash. So we foamed it down, we're gonna let this sit for a minute. And then we'll rinse it off, re-foam it, and then actually wash it. It's a good time to hit the gas cap here. Get those corners up. And what the soap is doing, actually, you guys, is bringing all of the dirt down. So you guys see all this is coming down, and it's gonna make it a lot easier and safer for us to hand wash it without adding any more scratches or agitating the car in the wrong way with dirt and stuff like that. wash it. All right, so we're gonna wash this car just with our wash mitt. This car is brand new, so there's no need of clay bar. So just wash it. And if there was a section with clay bar, it'd just be the lower portions. But let's go ahead and wash this car, top to bottom. Flipping our wash mitt every other panel. So we're gonna flip it. All right, go to the bucket.